guided meditation for mindfulness for beginners. Welcome to this guided meditation for mindfulness, designed especially for beginners. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed and sit in a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hands gently on your thighs or in your lap, palms facing upward in a gesture of openness and relaxation. Allow your spine to be tall yet soft, creating an open pathway for breath and awareness. If you feel comfortable, softly close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and slowly exhale through your mouth, letting go of any stress or tension. As you settle into this space, remember that mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment, without judgment. It's a practice that can help you feel more connected to yourself and the world around you. Let's begin by grounding ourselves through body awareness and breath. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. With each breath, allow your body to relax and become more grounded. Notice the feeling of your feet resting on the ground or the surface beneath you. Feel the stability and support of the earth. Now, bring your attention to your legs. Are they holding any tension? As you exhale, allow them to soften and relax. Move your attention to your hips, abdomen, and chest. Feel your breath rising and falling in your chest, allowing your body to relax a little more with each exhale. Next, bring awareness to your shoulders, neck, and arms, letting them loosen and release any tightness. Finally, focus on your face. Soften your jaw and relax your forehead. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present, calm, and ready for mindfulness practice. Now that you are centered and grounded, let's move into a mindfulness visualization. Imagine yourself in a peaceful garden. The sun is gently warming your skin, and a soft breeze is blowing. In this moment, you feel completely at ease, connected to the sights, sounds, and sensations around you. Begin by focusing on your breath. With each inhale, notice how the air feels as it enters your nose, fills your lungs, and expands your chest. With each exhale, notice how the air leaves your body and how your chest falls. Let each breath be a point of focus, anchoring you in the present moment. Now expand your awareness to the sounds around you. Imagine hearing the gentle rustle of leaves, birds singing in the distance, or the soft sound of wind moving through the trees. Allow yourself to listen without labeling the sounds. Simply notice them. Next, bring your awareness to your body. Feel the sensation of the ground beneath you, the temperature of the air on your skin, and the rhythm of your breath. Imagine that with every breath you take, you're becoming more aware of the present moment, letting go of worries about the past or future. Visualize yourself moving through your day with this same sense of mindfulness. Imagine being fully present in your conversations, your activities, and even your quiet moments. See how mindfulness brings a sense of peace, clarity, and connection to everything you do. As you cultivate mindfulness, you'll find that you're able to approach life with more calm, patience, and understanding. As we bring this meditation to a close, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few slow, deep breaths, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Begin to notice the sensations in your body, the sounds around you, and the feeling of the air on your skin. When you feel ready, slowly start to move your fingers and toes, bringing small movements back into your body. Roll your shoulders, stretch your arms, or move in any way that feels comfortable. When you are fully present, softly open your eyes. Take a moment to reflect on how you feel now. You may feel more grounded, calm, and connected to the present moment. Carry this feeling of mindfulness with you throughout your day, knowing that you can always return to this state of awareness simply by focusing on your breath and the present moment.